Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Chime how to find account number. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Finding your Chime account number is just as simple as finding your routing number. So to do is simply head over and open up your Chime application. Then once inside, what you need to do is tap on the login option on the bottom of your screen and then simply enter in your email and password to log into your account. Then once logged into your account, simply tap on Move Money tab at the bottom of your screen. Then from there, select Settings or Account Info, which is varied based on your app version. Then once you're inside, your account number and your routing number will be displayed on the screen. The alternative method also can be by simply heading over to Move Money option, then selecting Transfer Money and selecting Bank Account. Your account number will be visible when you set up or view your linked bank account info. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.